Pakistan witnessed a series of major developments on Friday, spanning digital regulation, urban governance, energy stability, and public health, reflecting a busy policy and administrative landscape. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif directed authorities to operationalize a modern regulatory framework for virtual assets in line with international standards during a meeting in Lahore with State Minister and Pakistan Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority Chairman Bilal bin Saqib. The Premier stressed that a robust system is essential to promote the digital economy and build investor confidence. He also called for targeted training programs in artificial intelligence and digital finance to equip Pakistan's youth for emerging economic sectors. Officials briefed him on the transition of Pawara into a functioning regulator and the rollout of a regulatory sandbox to test innovations in AI-powered payments and virtual asset service. In a separate development, the Prime Minister formed a high-level committee to review the disputed One Constitution Avenue case in Islamabad and temporarily halted any administrative action. The move follows legal proceedings over the skyscraper lease cancellation, which has sparked controversy and evacuation concerns among residents. The committee, headed by Law Minister Azam Nazir Tarar, has been tasked with submitting a report within 1 week after hearing all stakeholders. On the energy front, Power Minister Awais Laghari announced the end of a recent spell of load shedding, attributing disruptions to temporary LNG shortage linked to global geopolitical tensions. He said a fresh LNG shipment has stabilized supply, allowing the government to restore normal electricity distribution ahead of peak summer demand.
कि ये लोड शेडिंग हमारी कोई कोताही या किसी सिस्टम के नॉन फंक्शनिंग होने की वजह से या बिजली की पैदावार की सलाहियत ना रखने की वजह से नहीं है। ये सिर्फ जो कमी आ रही है और लोड शेडिंग आप एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं 6-7 साल बाद जब नवाज शरीफ साहब की हुकूमत ने लोड शेडिंग का इख्तिताम किया था, उसके बाद पहली दफ़ा ये हो रहा है। ये इसलिए हो रही है क्योंकि हमारी गैस के जो ज़रिया है बिजली पैदा करने का, उसकी गैस ईरान अमेरिका की जंग की वजह से नहीं मौसूल हो रही हमें।
Meanwhile, Pakistan's public health system reported 2 new polio cases from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, raising the total for 2026 to 3. According to the National Emergency Operations Center, the cases were confirmed in Bannu and North Waziristan, areas where access challenges continue to hinder eradication efforts. Health officials warned that rising temperatures could accelerate virus transmission ahead of the traditional high season period. Together, these developments highlight Pakistan's concurrent focus on economic modernization, governance disputes, energy management, and ongoing public health challenges.